Clarice, welcome. How are y'all doing? Hello. I'm excited to have y'all here. I've been gone for 2 days because I've been sick, but I'm feeling better now. So I'm back here to talk to y'all about scholarships, and I want to talk to y'all also about this 9 scholarship workshops that we are going to have this weekend. Oh my goodness, this weekend. Well, I've been talking about this workshops, it feels like forever, but now it's happening. This weekend we have our workshop, and I'm so excited about it. Part of me emotional. Hopefully we are really able to serve you all as much as possible, so I'm excited about it. um so yeah, this weekend is going to be amazing. I am prayerful, I'm hopeful about it. But let's get to it. How are y'all doing? If you hear my voice low like this is because I'm sick, you guys. I'm sick. I've not had one scholarship a day for a couple of days now, and I've actually just been trying to recover. In fact, I'm still sick. But I said, okay, I've been gone for 2 days. That's not cool. So then we come at least one day before I vanish again, okay? Y'all send well wishes my way. Hopefully I get better as soon as possible. Alrighty, let us get to it. How are y'all doing? Because I'm sick and because I like to keep one scholarship a day short and sweet, this is going to be extra short and sweet, okay? I'm probably going to take about just 10 minutes of your time. We are going to talk about our scholarship for today. We're going to talk about the 9 scholarship workshops, and then we are going to keep it pushing, okay? Let me see what's the date of today. What's the date of today? Today's uh October 28th. Today is October 28th. I'm happy to have you all here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Sylvie, and I am the founder of learnhowtogetascholarship.com. Learnhowtogetascholarship.com is a website where we curate scholarships for international students, and we prepare students to apply for scholarships. We do that through group classes, through one-on-one classes, and most recently through workshops that I'm so excited to talk to you all about. I'm so excited about these workshops, you guys, because this is going to be the first workshop. Um, Dan, everyone, please excuse me for a minute. Dan Tapper on Facebook. I've replied to your email. I've sent you an email. I didn't see you reply back to my email. You've mentioned that yes, you're searching for a scholarship. I told you about it. I answered you, but you didn't reply back. So I'm not sure when you ask that question what else you want. Okay, alrighty. Sorry about that, you guys. Let's get to our one scholarship of the day today. I'm sick, you guys. I'm sick, so I'm not coming on. I'm not coming on here with my sick self to try to be picking a fight. But if you're going to ask information about scholarships, be prepared to apply for the scholarships. Get the information. Even give some feedback. Give some feedback. That is the information helpful or not, at least, right? Alrighty, so let us get to the workshops. Let's get to the workshops, and then we'll get to our one scholarship a day. So you guys, I've been working on this for a while now. So we are going to have 9 workshops. We're going to have 9 workshops. And we'll be prepping you all to apply for nine nine scholarships. 9 scholarships, sorry. 9 scholarships. So we are going to have 3 fully funded scholarships at the bachelor level, 3 fully funded scholarships at the master's level, and 3 fully funded scholarships at the PhD level. Those are the scholarships we are going to be prepping you all to apply for, okay? So bachelor students, we are going to be prepping you all for the Lester B. Pearson Scholarship. This is a scholarship for international students to Canada that is open right now. The deadline is in January, so we are going to be prepping you all to apply for that. We're also going to be prepping you all to apply for the University of British Columbia Scholarship. This is in Canada for bachelor students also. And then the Emil Botany scholarships to France, okay? We'll be prepping you all to apply for that. So bachelor students, we have three scholarships: the Lester B. Pearson Scholarship, the University of British Columbia Scholarship, and the Emil Botany Scholarship, okay? Bachelor students, any high school graduates thinking about going to study your bachelor's, these are the scholarships we'll be working on. And as I told you, I come here on Clubhouse, on Instagram, on Facebook, and I talk to you all. But on those workshops, we are not talking, we are walking, okay? Even when you sign up, just we already have like your pre-workshop, the workshop, we already have your first assignment that you have to do. So it is straight to work. We are not going to be talking much. We are really just going to be working. Okay? And then master students, anybody who has a bachelor's, you're thinking about going to do your master's, we are going to be working on 3 scholarships. The 3 scholarships are the Oxford, Weidenfeld, and Hoffman Scholarship. This is a scholarship for international students to the UK. We are going to work on the Eric Blooming scholarship. This is the scholarship for international students in the Netherlands. And we are going to work on the Yechin Academy Scholarship. This is a scholarship for international students to China. Okay, bachelor's, master students, we have 3. 1 to the UK, 1 to Netherlands, and 1 to China. Okay, so y'all check those out. You can actually see all of this information on learnhowtogetaScholarship.com. And if you want to sign up for the workshop, you can sign up on learnhowtogetaScholarship.com. Okay, and then PhD students, we have 3 scholarships we'll be working on. The Swiss government scholarships, we are going to be working on that. This is a scholarship for international students to Switzerland, right? And then we have the Gates Cambridge scholarship. That's a very interesting scholarship that we are going to be working on. And then we are going to be working on the PhD in Peace Studies to the US. So PhD students, we are going to have 1 scholarship to Switzerland, 1 scholarship to the UK, and 1 scholarship to the US. Okay, PhD students, those are the scholarships we are going to be working on. So I hope you all are hyped about this. I hope that y'all are interested in all of this, and we are going to be working to make sure that y'all can apply for this scholarships. Okay, so y'all check it out. This scholarship, the one on this weekend, this workshop is actually $25. This workshop is $25. And then our second workshop, which is going to be mid-November, it is going to be $35. And then our last workshop is going to be at the end of November, is going to be $35 also. And the reason why we are doing this is because some of these scholarships, the deadlines begin in December. So we want to prep you all, make sure that you all get ready to apply for the scholarships before December, because you all know scholarship providers do not negotiate deadlines. The deadline is the deadline, and the deadline, you needed to have submitted your stuff. Okay, if not, you're not going to be allowed to apply for the scholarship later on. Okay, alrighty, let's get to our 1 scholarship of the day. I'm excited to tell you about the scholarship. I was just reading about the scholarship, and it's interesting because I think some of you, those that are on YouTube, I've seen so many of you on YouTube ask me questions about excuse me, guys. Y'all, I told you at the start of this, I'm sick, right? I'm sick. So, y'all excuse me for a bit. All right. I was drinking tea for those on Clubhouse who can see what's going on. Alrighty. So, I've seen some of you on... some people have DM'd me asking me for scholarships in Canada, and some people I've seen quick comments on the YouTube channel about scholarships to Canada. So yes, I'm excited to bring you all the scholarship to Canada. The sad part is that most of you who DM'd me asking me about scholarships in Canada, most of you were master's student, and this particular scholarship is actually, it's actually for undergraduate and for master's students also. So y'all get into it. All of you who are interested in going to study in Canada, y'all get into it, okay? So let's talk about this scholarship. This is an international scholarship at Mount Sinai Mount Saint Vincent University. Okay, Mount Saint Vincent University. All those on Clubhouse who cannot see what's going on, excuse me, I'm cleaning my nose because I am a sick human being. Okay. Alrighty, let's get to it. So this is a scholarship at Mount Saint Vincent University for international students who want to go study in Canada, and it's partial funding. It's partial funding, so of course what that means is you have to figure out some money by yourself. Okay, so the Mount Saint Vincent University is accepting international students, and they are giving them partial funding to study at their university. It doesn't matter what major you want to apply for, it doesn't matter. So you just need to check out the majors that are available at the university, see which ones suit you, and if you find yours there, then you're good enough to apply, okay, to go study in Canada. So they say that the scholarships are now open for international students, and it allows undergraduate and graduate level programs in all the subjects that the university offers. Okay, so that's amazing. And then the deadline for this scholarship is actually next year, sometime next year. That is when they are going to be having a deadline. I think it's like March next year. And there's the benefits of the scholarship. Let's see if they give like the exact amounts. You all know I always stay on the scholarships asking how much money are we talking about though, right? So it says Mount Saint Vincent University will extend scholarships to contribute to any cost of any undertaken undergraduate or graduate level program by the selected candidates. What does that mean? That's not specific enough, right? Like, what? So what does that entail? Yeah, you're going to be covering tuition, books, what? What are you going to be covering and what are you not? So this is very this is very confusing, you guys. This is very confusing. I'm not too sure, but it's all nationalities, so it doesn't matter where you're from. I'm not sure where everyone is from, but it doesn't matter where you're from. You can apply for the scholarship, and it's actually a scholarship that is available just for international students. Okay, so you all already know the drill. I'm going to tweet out a link to scholarship. I'm going to tweet it out. So if you do not follow me on Twitter, definitely go follow me on Twitter, because there you are going to find the link to the scholarship. Okay, you're going to find the link to the scholarship. So while I tweet it out, those on Instagram, if you have a question, please put it in the comment section and I'll answer you. Those on Facebook, please put your questions in the comment section and I'll answer you. Clubhouse, feel free to raise your hand, come up on stage and we can talk. Let me see, someone asked a question earlier. Sylvie, are there any available scholarships? Yes. The scholarships that I'm talking about are scholarships that are available. All the scholarships for the workshop are scholarships that are available. And then I've been talking about scholarships that I've been tweeting about. There are scholarships that are all available. I have 3 videos now on YouTube about scholarships for 2022, 2023. All those are scholarships that are available. Okay, so yes, there are scholarships available right now. Okay, you just need to keep updated with that information, and then you're going to get it. Because if you're not updated with the information, of course you're going to miss it. Okay, so I'm tweeting out a link to scholarship right now, you guys. I'm tweeting it out. If you all don't follow me on Twitter, definitely go follow me on Twitter, because that's where you'll find the links to scholarship. And when I tweet it out, I'm going to take a screenshot of the official website of the scholarship and I'll put it in my Instagram story. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. And I have now a page, because a story lasts for 24 hours and it's gone. So now I have the Scholarship Prep Academy page on Instagram, where I try to, when I put the pictures of the official website of the scholarship, it lasts for forever, right? So also try to follow that page such that you can come back later on to check, because this process of applying for scholarships, you get information, you work on it, and then you're like, what else was it again? And then you go back. It's not a one-off process, so you definitely want to keep coming back to make sure that you are on the right page of the scholarship. Okay, alrighty, let us see. Yes, I have tweeted out the link to scholarship, you guys. Y'all go check it out. International Student Scholarships at Mount Saint Vincent University in Canada for 2021-2022. Okay, alrighty, so that brings us to the end of our session for today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Sylvie and I am the founder of learnhowtogetascholarship.com. Learnhowtogetascholarship.com is a website where we curate scholarships for international students, and we prepare students to apply for scholarships. We do that through group classes, through one-on-one classes, and most recently through workshops that I'm excited about. But of course, if you want us to work with you one-on-one, we are open to do that. I have a team. One of the members of my team, they are all experts. One is in charge of research proposal writing. One is in charge of personal statement writing, and the other one is in charge of CV writing, which are the 3 most important things that are always needed when you're applying for any scholarships. And then there's me to make sure that you have everything that you need in order to apply for the scholarship, right? And that is what you're going to be having this weekend during the workshop. You're going to have a session with our CV expert, you have a session with our research proposal expert, you have a session with me and then you have a session with our personal statement expert. Okay, you're going to have all those sessions, and we are practically just going to get you all ready to make sure to see where you all are at with this. And this is if you've been joining one scholarship a day or following me, you know that these are services that have been historically it's been pricier for students. So now putting this workshop at $25, I think is very affordable for everybody. So y'all definitely check it out, and I look forward to see y'all. No, let's see, today's Thursday, so I still have 1 day to go for one scholarship a day. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, y'all take care. Cheers. And if you want to sign up for the workshop, all the information, if you want to pay by PayPal, there is a way that you can go about it. That's easy. If you you want to pay through other means, you can, everyone just go to the website. You're going to see the detailed information, but you can pay through PayPal or other means of payments. We accept all of those. So I'm going to see y'all soon. Y'all take care. Cheers, everybody. Bye.